Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hado san pukandai ngut ki Khynnah Skul ka Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya Rembai ka East Khasi Hills District kila kempang Kynsan bat yo ya ka jing stom pri penhiar kpo ya ka bala Suba jur ba ka dei na ka jing bam ya ka bam ka bala snil bala ai shiki ka Jaintia Students Union lengba ukurbo kala pentip ba ka ni ka jing ja kala ja na do ka arpo artrik unai weng ha ka ba kala penrem jur ya ka ru company at kam ka bathurmur jong ka ne ka skul kaseng kala ai por ru khatsan sngi ye ki bor ba dekhmi bakin le ai halor ka ni ka jing ja ka GSU hapo ka jing lam jong usamla bocheru po snem education secretary ulahir jurep mardo shakate ka jaka mar ya yo pedang ya ki bubun ki jing ujor na ki keme ki khpa ba ki nong lam shnong halor ka ni ka jing kempang Kynsan ki Khynnah Skul na ka jing Suba Ngat bi na ka bam halor ka ni ka jing ja ka GSU mardor kala pentip shaw assistant commissioner of food secretary Jowai ubala batha ya ka food safety officer ban penlong ya ka jing toket ha ka ni ka skul
39 only. They only because they are sick. And how many sick currently in campus?
Currently in morning, they around 20 of them are sick.
20 of them are sick. Do you know why you're getting sick?
I don't know about that.
The sister in charge, she take you to the PHC?
Yeah, they take all the students, those who are sick right now in the morning, take them to the patient.
And that means total boys and girls, right? They're sick.
Yeah, boys also there, but boys not that much.
Girls more.
Girls.
Maka
No, this one old one. September. This one is new one.
Sorry. Ini the new one.
Kam ni bet semua Kam ni bet. Hah? Mangasni.
Masih sma. Hah? हम कर रहे हो ये था ना Sobra ka
Are you following the guidelines of PM Posan? Keeping in lines the nutritional standards of what the students should eat?
According to nutrition standard, we will so all the nutritious ingredients must be given by to students in a daily basis. So coming to breakfast, lunch, dinner, and all the items, that is the old one. Because whenever we updated new one, we will test it.
For how long?
Huh?
How long will
No,
the menu? How long will it last?
No, it will especially based on the seasonal time. Like suppose this time
winter.
this winter we got banana. We will add that banana in the banana. And according to season, and every month we have a meeting with student also, like mess meeting. In that, whatever they desire, whatever they want to, they want in the menu, we will add something plus minus we will do. Every month conduct that meeting also. So according to the, we will finalize this.
Are you a part of the committee where they decide what to eat, how much to eat?
Yes, mess
committee. Are you a member or?
No, I'm the in charge. I'm overall in charge.
You are in the committee, in the mess committee.
Mess meeting I'm there.
You are in charge.
Can tomorrow?
Hello.
Now that
Boys also they don't have no, but girls only. No sir, girls only they have that problem. Boys no one. Then I suspected that that alu saline, no? I think like that. If food poisoning is there, all then they will get sick, no? Even boys also. I think like that.
So up to now, that means no boys are sick.
No boys.
No boys have diarrhea.
Only top and cold is there, no diarrhea.
As per the records we have checked here in PHC, you can see that there are some number of boys who are
Boys.
sick.
for today.
Yes, on Sunday. Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday.
Saturday,
Yes.
Sunday.
It's Saturday night, I think.
Saturday night.
That around 11 p.m. or 12 p.m.
Mm.
We went to the dispensary with around 8 or 9 students.
Today now.
Not today, on Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday 12 p.m. in the night.
We didn't go hospital.
Because we
I
hear us.
think parents they took them I think. Maybe.
Okay, definitely. But around 5 p.m., 6 p.m. That time also.
Boys or girls are maybe girls, no sir. Boys I don't think so.
We
Girls
have
only.
girls, yes.
Girls only. Yeah, mostly it's affected to girls only.
But then, madam, okay, I'll ask you one question. Do you think that mess hall is healthy as a you are a medical practitioner, you are a nurse, right, madam?
So we are not getting enough water. Okay, many times we wrote letter also. Even the girls hostel also now we are not getting enough water. That we are using that one, that groundwater.
Yeah,
It's
borewell
totally,
pipe water.
It's fully red in color.
Red.
But we are not using that one. For drinking purpose, though, we used to use this RO water.
But same water only, but yes.
No, this one is by one only, by one only. This one is by water, by one, not groundwater. Sir. Then we are giving them for drinking purpose. And for washing clothes and all, we are buying another water from this house, this home, we are buying that one. Then that one was even they are using for toilet purpose.
Yeah, for breathing, high value.
That one bucket only one. So better is that please you collect correct information from student.
That's what we are collecting correct information. That's why we
Yeah, we
are
are staff of
from
this
that time.
school now.
That's what.
You cannot means I'm not saying I'm telling lie. I'm not saying like that. Okay, you can collect correct information from student only, sir.
That's why we are here from afternoon till evening right now. Also, we are going to collect information on it. Next ni in the Agenda Students Union Central Body, the Lang Finance Secretary, working clear circle, the line inspect you that I score JNB Rambai, go Heta Rambai, with the light petty, you get a case, you would your complain with Kynna score your food poisoning in the Doka artery. Nate, either lie Heta, the yacht which are more principal, we would of staff in charge, younger mess, or younger help young Kataiga score, with the yacht we Kalamuki, their pang taking ja. We he come tell in the young person, the yacht you. Batai yang assistant commissioner yang food safety ko in charge of East and West Center Hills hagatai hisngi we the onga the instructor yaki yo food safety officer ki East Jantia yo lai ni kisngi yo lai inspect yo kata skur hagajo ko porle kawo ni kelami wo principal worker we kita ki staff in charge bon ki no principal wo deny the allegation ko ongi we am food poisoning ang in liang sen the lai pet I we the yoi wo to katai ka thau chat ka thau tu kita kena skor wo kata kan mes call ka thau ban ki man ga wo je clear kita gi staff ki wo padam kam ki hai tai po skor le the lord wo am the sanction ni ki yo e gi the permanent staff the book gi the temporary staff hello retail mem maintain gi ka health protocol wo kamon chat kamon tu kamon tu mo yiki skor yiki snyo yiki kti we follow ki yo kata health procedure na kau ongi ektin terang te hitai porle de yoi wa katai ke thau chat wa thau tu yong ki we hajan katai to ka pen khana le em ka pen hajan wa ka thau set tiar ka thau set thal le em ka hajan we ke drainage system hapo katai ka GNV rambai man go open te snya thu pi wa to wa katai ka open drainage system depan man ka kata jing clear yo yo ka jing sma he hadu I thau wa yo wa duk pi kena uban ja the lang the sen the instruct your food safety officer with only your chim action we hak man the process ka final report hete dau I ga show cause notice yo kata score hejo I porle yo pen sekhi hete I the lai po PHC rambai we the yo u chambo medical and health officer UM duty kini ketiau we the yo on wa MDK yang ki kena score wa em kamte do chpaul ni khasan ngut ki khna ki wo yo kujut mut ka pen hier we we penyo tok symptom yang taka food poisoning ni liang yang ola we de ong we tok katai ka skor hetai we de man kompak we de man kien bhago we de pen mix ko we mi ko ubo yi kita kena do aspa ngun we tok wa kejing je clear hetai tok gam tok ko ki we gi le kam tam ga taka dot ke thau chat we ga taka thau set man go pen hajan dan liang yang kesen le hejo ipor le dalai cipo kata new campus yang GNV school we de yoi wotok kata ke skor da chna ga gari wotok permanent campus yang ka penajan yang temporary campus ke kata we DM ko construction are lagi phase to phase A or phase B ko phase A de yoi kamu kendi 100% ke construction the dependent kika tang udang M chu kikam ki yang internal kam ga electrical wa plumbing ki udang sa hijau ipor le yo ka phase B untuk ada dep ke 40% tang overall completion medi khenika kata ga skor man go mut kau ong dah ketien thrang ke man livable ke wiu sa ke wiu chong ti kena skor we hete jo ipor le ka wada ya kelami website engineer di ka ga date of completion do next year the resolution ko eu principal yang kata ga skor we the ong we untuk wa in 15 days na do negasni do shift ki Khynnah woro kata ga permanent campus tang ini yang kesenwan de percai yaitu jing shift smart kuni khatsan skill ni art house ni wotok wa kom tok ko man urlong weile wotok kau siang thu wotok kata ga thau hitai ga pok new campus de man go construction site wem siang thu I kamon ki Khynnah skor we chong yi mg we gi bro ki construction worker ki nong ki bela na ga wi gi jalla u chong gi hitai we ga safety yong ki le memman go ko wa scam tite daw in yang sen le the HU principal wo yo chairman atau DC yang East Center Hills yo him action yeni kam wo yo him tegi procedure yo am gi terms conditions wo kata ke company ke wa construct yo kata ke new campus hetai yo gi Khynnah yo sa yo sup yo gi ke ban gedi ko khoj yo gi yo ro gi jing MK yo ki kam ki Khynnah skor dan yang sen le I do bodo ni do bot de ni yeni we daw ki de ultimatum wa khatsan ski lam ye gu pendep ye gini ke jing de wa yong I daw em ki kam ki daw le ki wa halor yong ita ku dai chibon